Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to patch drywall using drywall clips. If you have a spot where you need to patch some drywall, like a small hole, actually, even a bigger hole, sometimes patching that drywall and anchoring it can be tricky. These drywall clips make it pretty easy. Now, first, you locate the area that you need to patch, and you're going to cut out that drywall and then cut a piece to fit into the hole that you created. From there, you take these clips. Now, they work on both 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch drywall. And you kind of position these clips over the area and push them into place. You'll see that the clips start to bend a little bit. Don't worry about that. And go all the way around this opening. Then, using the drywall screws that are included, put one screw on the bottom lip of each one around the perimeter of the new hole that you created. Then, put the new piece of drywall that fits into that spot into the hole. Use the remaining screws to connect that piece of drywall to the clips. Now you're ready to add some mud, some tape, finish, and then paint. Coming up next, my video on how to cut a hole into drywall.